Welcome to DaNang. After completing Ho Chi Minh, which is in the north, we are now in the central part of the Vietnam country. Now, DaNang is called the coastal gem because it is in the coastal part. There is a lot of seafood you can come here and try. We are entering the Linh Ung Pagoda. Linh means holy, and in this pagoda there are like three Buddha statues. The middle is Gautam Buddha, who is the founder of the religion, Buddha religion, and there is laughing Buddha. Let's go and see. The laughing Buddha. You just have to rub its belly and you get luck. So she is the Lady Buddha and she is the mother of all here. She is a protector of the sea, and all the sailors who go on the sea, they pray to her for their safe return. She is a 67 meters long statue. As you can see, there is holy water bottle in one hand. She is like sprinkling the holy water. It is a statue which is like 17 floors. Tourists can go till the first floor. Second and third is for the monks. And at night, they like around the statue there are lights, so they put on the lights, and in the night the sailors who are in the sea, if they have lost their way, they look at the lights and they follow the lights and they reach. So she is that powerful and she is the mother. So we are entering into the Lady Buddha statue. So we are allowed only on the first floor to go. It's cool here. How do we go up? Gautam Buddha and Lady Buddha side of him. DaNang is the coastal gem. And as I told y'all that she is the protector of the sea, she's standing right here, protecting all the fishermen and people in the sea. So we are heading to the Marble Mountain. Wow. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? And it's cool inside.
Am Phu Cave, located in Marble Mountain of DaNang, is a fascinating site that offers a detailed glimpse of the Buddhist concept of hell. Once inside, tourists can confess their sins and repent before a marble scale that weighs their good and bad deeds. These are the statues of judges, often depicted with scrolls or ledgers to record the sins of the souls. Statues of demons enforce the punishments, as you can see souls being beheaded.
Now we are going into the underground. So we were in the hell and now it's underground, like more deeper.
It's quite simple. Every deed has consequences. Punishments of wrongdoing represent karma. The degree of pain one suffers depends on severity of sins one has committed.
Looking like a ghost myself. Now we are going to heaven. Caves are on top. So there are like 264 steps taking you up, and if you want, there is an elevator also. Oh, the much needed cool breeze hitting your face. That's all needed at this point. And you have to climb like 264 steps, and not even 1/4 is complete. Like in this hot heat, in this scorching heat. Don't know how we're going to make it. I don't know how am I going to make it. I don't know if I've taken the right decision of like walking, or should I should have taken the elevator. But let's see. Just keep walking, walking, walking. Just keep walking. That was hardly anything. So how did you feel? Walking. It was hardly anything. This is nothing. What we have walked so many steps up. This was nothing. And yeah, it was hardly like, I didn't feel it like it was 264 steps. And this is the, like we have to walk here. So what do you get to see in the caves? There are a lot of temples. And that's Gautam Buddha, and on his chest there is a swastika symbol. Then we have the sunlight rays falling directly here.
Sunlight filters through openings in the ceiling, creating a heavenly atmosphere. This cave represents the journey of the soul from the earthly realm to the divine. Thank you so much for watching part 1 of my DaNang adventure. I hope you enjoyed exploring the Marble and Monkey Mountain with me. Part 2 is coming out soon, where I will dive even deeper into the beauty of Hoi An. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it drops. See you in the next video.